In 2017, I became a Muslim. To be honest, prior to coming to Islam, I pretty much tried every belief underneath the sun, except for Islam. I was missing something deep inside, and none of the beliefs I tried prior could fill in the space. I was originally raised as a Christian Evangelical by my own father. My mom's side of the family were Orthodox Jews and wanted me to believe in that as well. So in a sense, while growing up, I felt this tug-of-war vibe between both sides of my family to get me to follow their beliefs. Finally, at the age of 18, I decided to become Catholic. I went with it for a while, but it didn't do much for the empty space. Moved on to atheism, and then spirituality, which is where I settled for a while. I wasn't happy, but it was better than me feeling miserable. Finally, I came across Islam due to all the coverage from the Islam ban. I'm a justice warrior for equality and equity for all. Initially, I was hesitant because people kept telling me lies about Islam and Islamophobic propaganda, which intimidated me. I didn't feel I could be a Muslim and be safe from their hatred. However, when I met other Muslims and saw that they were just like me, loving, kind humans, just living for and loving Allah, it made me feel more excited and brave enough to love and follow Allah as well. So in January 2017, I became a Muslim. Ever since then, I've been trying my best to learn and grow as a Muslim woman. When I first fasted during Ramadan, it was life to me. I've never felt so cleansed and close to Allah. Finally, for the first time, my empty space was no longer hollow. Instead, I felt whole, with a purpose and love for Allah. As for wearing my hijab goes, I absolutely love it. It gives me strength and makes me feel free. I feel like Allah is so proud of me for obeying His command, and that makes me feel even more whole and complete. Lastly, thank you for allowing us, Muslim women, to be heard and represented. Hopefully, inshallah, this will help shed beautiful truth on Islam and Muslims everywhere.